Good evening, everyone. My name is Joshua James G. Sale, and for today's video, we're going to learn how to control multiple LEDs using Arduino's digital outputs and a breadboard. And so now, let's get into the output. Let's minimize this first. There you go. Oh, wait, it's not that. Yeah, there you go. Yes. Now, as you can see here in my screen, we are in the website of the Tinkercad. Now we're going to create a circuit. But before we're going to create a circuit, let's go here, create, click that create, click circuits, then it's going to load. We're gonna wait it up. Then we're here now, and as we can see here, the uh battery here has been showed up, the LED, push button, and other appliances. So now we're going to make our output today. So now first search your Uno, then put it in here, then search your breadboard, the small one. Yep, that's it. Now, before we continue to the other step, let's connect this first, this Uno and this breadboard. Okay, so now we're going to connect these 5 volts, and we're going to connect it to positively in breadboard. There you go. Now we're going to fix the wire so that it's going to nice to get look at it. There you go. Then we have GND here, which is short for ground. Then we're going to connect it to negative. Now, why? If you ask me question, why the 5 volts and the ground I used to connect to the breadboard? Actually, I'm not sure in my answer, but based in this my video presentation today that I'm making this output that I'm making with guys, it's based on my personal experience. So this Ono, it's not is I'm not familiar with the components here. The what's the function of this? Yes, I'm not familiar with that. I'm going to uh, study it myself if I have to. And now, before we continue, we have to change this color, which is this positive wire. We're going to change it into red, and this negative is color black. It's nice to see that we're going to have color coding, guys. So it's nice to see that we have a color coding here. So yeah, there you have it. Now we're going to uh search some LED lights, then put it in here. 3 LED lights. Now we're going to put it in the breadboard in here. It doesn't matter what number it is, guys, as long as it's in the wire, so it doesn't matter. So we're going to connect it. Then yeah, there you go. Then we're going to have a resistor. Just search resistor. Sorry for my English, guys. I'm not that good. Then we connect it here in the negative. Then we search again for resistor because we need it for these two. As you can see, we have 3 LEDs, so we we need a 3 resistor too. So we put it in here in the cathode. Um, cathode and anode, guys. It's very different because cathode is stand for negative and anode is stand for positive. So remember that. And now we're going to put another resistor here. This is the last one. Yeah. And as you can see here, guys, the resistor is have a color pattern here. So you can see here, we have red here, black, and brown. Yep. That has a function, guys. But basically, I don't even know what it is, the function. I'm going to study it first. Okay. So, just like I said earlier, this video presentation that I make is that based in my personal experience and the based in my personal experiences and based that I do in this Tinkercad website. So yeah. Now we're going to connect this anode, this positive. We're going to connect this into here. Yep. We're going to connect it. Then we're going to do that in both of these two. So let's connect it to 12 and 11. Now we're going to change color because it's not very fascinating to me to look at it because it's color black. Now we're going to change it into for me it's going to red, and the middle one we're going to be yellow and red. Okay, so this LED lights, I'm going to change it to into RGB, which means red, green, and blue. So this first, we're going to change it in red. So it's already red, as you can see here. And then this middle one is going to change it into green. Then this last one, we're going to change it into blue. So there you have it. Now uh we're going to blocks. Yep, we're going to blocks here. So as we can so we can change the speed it weighs to the LEDs. Because if we're going to start the stimulation, guys, as you can see here, it's just one LED that's get light up. So it's not done yet. So we're going to put some variables here, and we're going to make a variables, yes, and output and control that we're going to light this two also, because as you can see here that I start the stimulation, it's already as you can see it's just only one that got light up. So let's stop the stimulation, and now we're going to make a variable. Then you can create whatever name you want. Mine is going to I show speed. Yep. Then we have a variable here. Now we're going to set in the top of it. We're going to set 200. It's for me 200. I don't know about you guys. Going to set 400. It's on you now. But for me, it's going to 200. Okay. Then